Congratulations on finishing boot camp. Tyrant and all you guys that were helping out, thank you so much. It was really fun. I only had one little drone to use and I destroyed it.
Yaw spin.
And that's how I knew what tricks to do. But then I landed and I only did 60 seconds. When you buy sub 250 drones, lots of the time I find they're just designed by manufacturers that don't really care about making them beautiful or strong. So I designed something called the Great Discus. It basically is a drone that you can accessorize and do different prints, pimp it out however you want. That's the regular one. This is like a pusher with a GoPro, which has like an all-up weight of about 212 grams. So that's the kind of stuff I do if you're interested in that. To the top 3 people, I'm gonna make a custom one just for you with the parts that you use. You just have to pay for shipping. Just reach out to me. It's great to meet you guys. I hope to see some of you in Race Gal and iGal and all that fun stuff. And thank you so much for this. It was super fun. It was a good excuse to get out flying all the time. And I learned a few things, so thanks a lot. Smoochy smoochy.
Lost boys, shout to all my lost boys. We rowdy, shout to all my lost boys. 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 We rowdy, shout to all my lost boys.
Keep it